On the other hand, the length of the Western Ghat, the western coast, is about 1,600 kilometers from the coast of Gujarat to the Cape Cameroon. Okay? Let us see what would be happening here. Due to close proximity of the ocean or sea, this is your Bay of Bengal, this is your Arabian Sea, and Indian Ocean to the south of India. Due to close proximity of the coastal area, there is a thermal exchange facility. That means whenever certain area on the land surface gets too much heated, suppose low pressure, that means whenever certain portion on the earth's surface gets too much heated than that of the surrounding area, then a low pressure trough is formed. On the other hand, over the ocean surface and water surface, there is your high pressure cell. High pressure cell and low pressure cell are located over the ocean surface and land surface respectively. Whenever a strong high pressure cell is developed over the water surface, then wind flows in this direction. Okay? From the ocean surface, wind blows towards the land surface, or by the attraction of the low pressure, this wind blows from the sea towards the land. That minimizes the temperature of the land surface, as well as it becomes too much heated and begins to ascend. This ascending air mass also gets heavier when it ascends upward and begins to descend at the high pressure once again. In this way, the temperature in between the sea and the land gets balanced. So this is a factor which is responsible for the minimum temperature along the coastal areas. All the stations along the coastal area gets moderate temperature, not extreme temperature, because of this thermal exchange between water surface and land mass. Okay? If you move further north, that means at a station of a longer distance from the ship. This point, suppose A point is located far away from the sea, so there is no scope of thermal exchange, so extreme type of climate is experienced here. On the other hand, moderate type of climate is experienced along the coastal area. You see, Goa, Mumbai, Chennai, Vizag, Bhubaneswar, and our Haldia, Kolkata are at the close proximity of the sea, so it enjoys a moderate type of climate. On the other hand, Rajasthan, Thar Desert, this is an extreme type of climate because of its location far away from the sea. On the other hand, this wind blows towards north without any rainfall. It doesn't cause any rainfall in the Thar Desert because there is your Aravalli mountain. Aravalli mountain is located just parallel to the wind direction. I will discuss later about the effect of this periodic wind. Next point, let us start. Next point, land sea, vegetation cover. Vegetation also responsible to minimize the temperature of the land surface. where there is a densely populated vegetation, so there the temperature is minimum in comparison to the others, where there is a scanty amount of scarce, where vegetation is very scarce. Another relief feature, relief. The relief feature is also responsible for the regional variation of temperature. Let us see here. This is your mountain. Two types of arrow marks is used here. One is longer arrow that denotes the southwest monsoon, and shorter arrow denotes the northeast monsoon. Totally, the Indian climate is dominantly controlled by a periodic wind which is known as monsoon. Two types of monsoon blows in Indian subcontinent. Number one, southwest monsoon that blows in summer, and it is moist in nature, warm, moist. On the other hand, the northeast monsoon blows from the northeast direction towards the southwest direction. It is also dry, heavier and cold air mass. These two types of periodic wind. What do you mean by periodic wind? The wind that blows but that changes its direction with the change of season is known as periodic wind. Monsoon is the exaggerate form of land breeze and sea breeze. So land breeze and sea breeze is also called the miniature form of monsoon. Here let us discuss the southwest monsoon and its effect. This is your southwest monsoon, this is your southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon blows in this direction. This southwest monsoon belongs to the Arabian Sea and it is at the Bay of Bengal branch. Bay of Bengal branch of the southwest monsoon. This is the Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon. The relief is responsible, I have already mentioned. This moist air mass. Moist means moisture laden air mass. Moisture retaining capacity of a particular air mass depends on its temperature. Whenever certain pocket of air mass gets too much heated, then it has a larger capacity of retaining moisture from the ocean surface. Mind that this must be blown over the ocean surface, otherwise it has no scope to retain moisture.